Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. I would like to talk today about non-duality and kind of going with the flow because it's spring here and everything is changing. And uh, I had this thought yesterday that like when we have a good chapter in our life, we still think about what could go better or what could go wrong, and if we have a bad chapter, then we are like like everything is wrong, and this like resistance to what is we can find quite easily like in human brain. Like when we look at animals, they are just in the moment, they are like either sleeping or eating or playing or hunting, and I guess when we see nature in the winter, it rests all winter, and then like during spring, or just like during a day, you can see that like nothing is happening, and then something like suddenly happens, like animal hunts another animal, and then it's gone. And like I think the condition of human brain is always like analyzing, and it's always on and creating these scenarios. And it's great that we have like brain and we can use it to create. But I was thinking about like nature, how inspiring it is for us, and like how we as people kind of think that we are something superior to nature, when in fact like we are with nature one and we don't know anything. Yeah, and like being in the flow is something that we actually have to relearn and kind of take this inspiration from nature. And nature can be a great teacher for us in so many ways, in its realness, because we like as people we can create some superficial problems, or we can create like in our modern world like superficial jobs and like a lot of stress that is kind of not serving to anything. And yeah, I think people who, for example, lives on a boat, or live on a boat, or live in the mountains, or like they are kind of out of the civilization, they have, I think, different perspective on life and what's important and what we should focus on. And I was also thinking like about water and how like it's so flexible and it shapes so quickly and without any resistance to anything. It just goes around, or it becomes ice, and like it just flows. So yeah, I guess I just wanted to appreciate nature today, and because it's such a beautiful time now when everything's birthing again. Yeah, I guess that's it, guys. I hope you have a beautiful day and see you soon. Bye bye.